Welcome to Make Life Smart, where we find the inventions that make your daily life feel like it quietly upgraded itself overnight. You know that feeling when a gadget arrives and within a week you genuinely cannot remember how you managed without it? That is what today is about. Not gadgets that impress from a distance, gadgets that slot into your life, your home, and your routine, and make every single one of them work a little better than before. 10 of them, all useful, all real. So which one is going to feel like it came from the future the moment it lands on your doorstep? Number 1. The most useful robot ever built just became available to the world. The Tiangong Omni is a fully bipedal humanoid robot engineered to operate across more environments and handle more task types than any comparable machine built before it. It walks on 2 legs through spaces designed for human beings. It adapts to uneven terrain, navigates stairs, opens doors, and handles objects its hands were not specifically pre-programmed to touch. Industrial inspection, search and rescue operations, environments too hazardous for a human worker and too complex for a conventional machine. What makes the Omni the most versatile is not one standout capability, it is the range of situations it moves to do without stopping to recalibrate. The robots in science fiction were always versatile. They adapted, they figured things out, they moved through the human world like they belonged in it. The Tiangong Omni does exactly that. And in 2026, it is no longer fiction. Number 2. Manufacturing just moved into the building next door. The Fuse X1 is a large-format industrial selective laser sintering 3D printer, a machine that produces parts with the strength, the precision, and the material properties of factory-manufactured components, from a machine that fits in a professional workspace. No injection molds, no minimum order quantities, no 6-week lead times from an overseas supplier. Design a part, print it overnight, hold the finished component in your hands by morning, in nylon, in composite materials, in geometries that traditional manufacturing cannot physically produce. For product developers who need functional prototypes that perform like final products. For engineers who need replacement parts that don't exist in any catalog. For small manufacturers who need the capability of a large factory without a factory. The supply chain that took months to navigate just got replaced by one machine and one night of printing. Number 3. The best footage you have ever seen was stabilized by something you could not see. The Insta360 Luna Ultra is a new generation gimbal camera that redefines what stabilization means for content creators, travelers, and anyone who wants their footage to look like it was filmed by a professional crew. 3-axis motorized stabilization so smooth that running, cycling, and filming from a moving vehicle all look like the camera was mounted on a floating platform. AI subject tracking that locks onto a face, a body, or a moving object and keeps it centered in frame through every change of direction. 360-degree horizon lock. Automatic scene detection that adjusts settings before the shot is framed. You have experiences worth filming every week. The Luna Ultra is the camera that finally captures them the way they actually felt to live through. Not shaky, not dark, not almost right, exactly right. Number 4. The one thing that affects everything else finally has a system built around it. The DUSQ is the world's only active sleep regulation system, a device that does not just track how you sleep, but actively intervenes during the night to keep you in the optimal sleep stages your body needs most. Temperature, light, sound, biometric feedback, all working together in a closed loop, adjusting in real time based on what your body is actually doing at each point in the night. When deep sleep begins to fade, the system responds before it ends. When the optimal wake window approaches, the alarm activates at the exact moment your sleep cycle is lightest, so waking up feels like surfacing rather than being pulled under. Most mornings feel hard because the timing was wrong. The DUSQ makes sure the timing is right every single night for every kind of sleeper without asking you to change a thing about how you go to bed. Number 5. Your devices just got a remote control that works from anywhere on Earth. The GL.iNet Comet Q lets you wake, unlock, and take full control of any connected device remotely from your phone, regardless of where you or the device are. Located. No VPN setup complexity. No IT department required. Secure remote access to computers, home systems, and network devices that previously needed you physically present to do anything useful with them. Away from home and need something on your computer? The Comet Q opens the door. Distance just stopped being an obstacle. Number 6. The meeting where nobody could see you properly just became a problem from the past. The Hollyland Astra P1 is a pan-tilt zoom camera that automatically tracks whoever is speaking, rotating, zooming, and reframing to keep the active person centered and clear throughout the entire call. No more choosing between showing your face and showing the room. No more manual adjustments mid-presentation. Just a camera that pays attention so the conversation can focus on what matters. Your presence on every call just got a significant upgrade. Number 7. This is the gadget nobody expected to need, and the one that surprises people most the moment they actually use it. Linkiki is an AI companion designed around one principle: genuinely knowing the person it talks to. Not a chatbot with scripted responses, not a virtual assistant waiting for a task. An AI that remembers your conversations, understands your context, tracks what matters to you, and shows up each day already knowing where things left off. The project you were working on, the decision you were weighing, the thing you mentioned once in passing that turned out to matter more than you realized. Linkiki holds on to all of it. For the people who process out loud, for the ones who need a thinking partner that has actually been paying attention, for anyone who has felt the gap between the tools that do tasks and the presence that actually helps you think. Technology got very good at doing things for us. Linkiki is one of the first things that got good at being there for us. Number 8. The last charger you will ever forget to pack is the one you never take off your keys. The Miko is the world's smallest 30-watt charger, a device so compact it attaches directly to your keychain and delivers enough power to charge a phone from 0 to 50% in under 30 minutes. No adapter to remember, no cable pouch to pack, no arriving somewhere and realizing the charger's on the nightstand at home. It is always with you because your keys are always with you. USB-C output, universal compatibility, GaN technology that keeps it from heating up in your pocket. The travel charger was always something you had to remember to bring. The Miko is something you already have with you before you even think to check. Number 9. The lawn you have been meaning to mow just started mowing itself. The RockNeo Q110H is a robotic lawnmower that maps your garden, navigates obstacles, and maintains your lawn on an automated schedule without you being present, watching, or involved in any way. Rain sensor stops it when the grass is wet. Obstacle detection avoids furniture, toys, and anything else that ends up on the lawn. Quiet enough to run while neighbors are asleep. Returns to its charging dock automatically when the job is done. You set the schedule once. It handles every mow after that. Every Saturday morning that used to start with 45 minutes behind a lawnmower can now start however you actually want it to. The lawn does not need you anymore. And that, for most people, is a more significant feeling of freedom than they were expecting from a gardening appliance. Number 10. Your pet just got the most attentive feeder they have ever had, and it never forgets a meal. The Yuno is an AI-powered smart feeder that learns your pet's eating habits, adjusts portion timing based on their behavior, monitors how much they are eating, and alerts you if something changes. Remote dispensing from your phone. Two-way camera so you can check in from anywhere you happen to be. The animals in our lives depend on us completely. The Yuno makes sure that dependence is never let down by a busy day. Thanks for watching Make Life Smart. Subscribe and stay ahead.